Hi guys. It's pretty windy outside today. I got the window open, so hopefully things don't get blown away in here. Genius Hour, day number 3. Uno, dos, cuatro, 3. Okay, so we have learned what is Genius Hour. We have brainstormed some ideas, and today we're going to pick an idea, and we're going to ask lots of questions about our idea. What are we going to do? So I'm going to show you what I did, how I did this. But first I want to show you this. There are different kinds of questions, thick and thin questions. Thick questions, if you see Einstein right here, you have to use your brain. You have to do some work to find the answer to the questions. It's not just there. Like, how will I? What if? What might happen? How can I change? This isn't working. How can I fix it? Those are just some examples of thick questions. A thick question, you really have to use your brain. It's not like a thin question. A thin question, you could probably just Google it and find the answer. What do I need? I can Google that. Let's see. Where do apes live? I can Google that. Who invented electricity? I can Google that. How many people live in Missouri? I can Google that and get just an answer. So those are thin questions. Those are Google questions. That's not the kind of question we will be working with. We're going to do some thick kind of questions. Thick questions where we have to think about them. Einstein. This is Einstein. One of the smartest people ever. All right. So I'm going to show you. Remember, we're doing everything on Seesaw. Everything. So I can look at it and then later we'll look at each other's. All right. So let's take a look at your next page on Seesaw. Your topic. My topic, I decided, was going to be sewing. When I looked at all of my ideas and things, there's a lot of other things I probably want to become a genius on or work on, but I picked sewing. So these are some questions about sewing that I had. And how do you make a buttonhole? I didn't think I could just Google how to make a buttonhole. Even if I did, I'm sure there's many steps to it. It's just not something like the answer sew it. No, there's more to it. How do you put in a zipper? I kind of want to know how you do that. I'm sure, I don't know, it seems difficult, but maybe I could try that. And do I need different fabric for different projects? And why is that? Like fabric, there's different types. Like maybe there's stretchy type, there's harder type. Does it matter? I don't know. And why does it matter if it does? How do I make a skirt? How would I make something? Specifically a skirt. There's lots of parts to a sewing machine. How does it work? And how do I know what materials I need for my project? So, those are some of my thicker questions. This one down here might even be a little bit thin question. It just depends on if I have to research a lot. Because this is about researching and getting smarter. So, after you have your list, and you can think about it till tomorrow or a couple days, then you're going to pick one of these questions that you're going to try to find the answer to. So, and then you're just going to put a star. Oh, it says nice work. I don't know if you guys have those, but anyway, I've decided I'm going to do how to make a skirt. And I'm putting a star right there. Ta-da! How to make a skirt. If you don't have stars, I don't remember if you do. Just highlight it. You can highlight it. Is that the highlighter? Yep. You could just highlight the one that you are planning on researching. So I'm going to research how to make a skirt. All right. Okay, so that's it for today. Tomorrow we're going to start thinking about a plan for how we're going to do this. So reminder, you're doing all your work on Class K so that I can see how it's going for you. I want you to have a lot of fun with this. Think really hard about it, and kind of pick out the one that you probably have things at home you could use. Talk to your parents about it. You don't even have to make if you just want to make a poster or something. And we'll look more at some ideas for Genius Hour. But pick your ideal, and then we can meet on Teams or something to help you with that the best I can. All right, just have fun with it, and I will see you tomorrow with the next step. Bye.